Bedroom Singing Sessions, Season 2. Let's have a moment of silence, y'all, for the late, great Peabo Bryson. We lost him on yesterday. May you rest in peace. Sir, this one's for you. One of my favorite songs. He says, here's another morning without you. Here's another day, will I get through it without breaking down? Haven't seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my heart, I lost it when you left me, and it can't be found. Oh. How can I go on, baby? I'd be living those memories of you and me. All the love we make, all those tender nights and those endless days, they're all here inside. Baby, can you stop the rain from falling? Won't you chase my clouds away? I'll give anything to see the sun again. Only you can stop these tears from falling. I can't take another day. Baby, can you stop? Can you stop the rain? We lost a great one, y'all. Rest in peace, Peabo Bryson. Sure, it's truly Marlon D. Y'all like what I'm doing, make sure y'all hit that content. A little emotional right now. Hit that content button right there. Like, subscribe, and follow, share. Sure, it's truly Marlon D. South Entertainment. We all want to say something. Trademark. Rest in peace, Peabo Bryson.